Hey, what's up guys, my name is Off, and in this video I want to talk about a project that I'm thinking of doing, which is my own version of Setup Wars. I have been seeing a lot of like Setup Wars from Tech Source, and seeing him just talking about the setup of this person just kind of, I don't know, it kind of giving me a thought of like, it'll be really cool if I do my own version of Setup Wars. Because since, plus I like to see setup of others, I like to just see how they do, how job they do, and personally I like to see that. And since I'm also a huge fan of tech stuff like hard drives and whatever you guys think about, I know it's really cringy to say that, but I like that, and that's why I want to do my own Setup Wars series. Now, for you to submit your submission of your setup and all that, I'll be linking everything down below on what to do. Technically speaking, the way you should do is the same way that the Ed from Tech Source, explained, but taking off two pictures, which is showing off your setup with and without the chair. You can actually show it without the chair only. I'll be fine with that. And pretty much that's it. That's it. Of course, you have to take pictures, 10 pictures above, especially like, I don't know, maybe like most of your pictures of every single, not exactly, but just taking pictures of most of your technology, so I could know what we're looking at and name them. Taking pictures of your cable management, and taking pictures of your PC and what's the parts inside the PC, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, no dark photos. I want to see a great photos, not the best photos, but just photos that can be actually viewed, and that's pretty much it. So again, we'll be linking everything down below. We'll be telling you guys in the description down below everything you need to do, and that's it. So if you guys are interested, tell me in the comments down below, or actually just send me a message on whatever I'm going to be telling you guys to send on. And yeah, so I'll see you guys in probably January 19. So actually, just please try to submit before this date. Not in this date, before this date. Try to submit it as soon as possible. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys want to see more, comment down below, share this video, give a like, subscribe to for more content, and hopefully you join my series. I know it's like, why am I doing the same type of series as Ed from Tech Source? Again, I'm doing that like sometimes, I'm just going to start with this one first and see how it goes. And I'm not going to be actually doing like the same way as Ed from Tech Source. I'm just going to make it my own way. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoy, and please submit it if you want to join. I'll be linking everything that you have, your YouTube channel, whatever. If you have, just it's a form of collaboration somehow. So thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoy. Hope you guys are interested to submit, and we'll see you guys in that day. Pretty much the video will probably be sent on Friday 19th. So that's submitted before that.